I recently started eating acai bowls, and I figured I would just go ahead and show you what I do to make mine at home. It's super easy and they're really yummy, and you can really top it with anything you like, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I make mine, and then you guys can do it too at home. So this is the first thing that I use. This is the Sambazon Acai Superfruit packs. It's acai and guarana, and basically you just break them into like chunks and stick them in the Vitamix. I'm gonna be making 2, so I'm basically putting 2 packs. So it's basically you figure a pack for each person. So I'm gonna put both of these in there, and then I'm also gonna put 2 bananas. So 1 banana, it says half a banana, but honestly then it doesn't make it creamy enough. So I put 1 banana per person as well. Okay, so I've got my acai and my bananas in there. I just cut mine in half. Then I take these little Pitaya plus all natural dragon fruit bite-sized fruit cubes. That's a mouthful. And I basically just like kind of put, I don't know, I don't really ever measure, I just throw some in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some in there. So see, there's like a big old chunk right there. And then I just add like a couple more little, and they're all stuck together. See, just like that. So there's just like a little bit in there, but nothing major. Then I take some Califia unsweetened almond milk, and I put, here I'll show you how much I put on the bottom. I don't put much because you want this to be a bowl, not a smoothie. So basically for 2 people, I'll usually do about that much. So there's just a little bit on the bottom. And then I also put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in it as well. Blink. Again, this is for 2 people. So if it was for 1 person, I would just do 1 tablespoon. Definitely get your wand out because you're gonna need it with this baby. Where is my little wand? Okay, then you're gonna put it to frozen desserts right there, and you're gonna put it on. And then you're going to stab it. You want it to be thick because otherwise it would be a smoothie and that would be too wet. Look at that baby. Then you're just gonna put them into the bowls. But see how nice and thick that consistency is? You wanna eat it, you don't wanna drink it. Okay, so then I just take a half a banana, and I usually just add a couple of pieces because we're gonna put other fruit on here. So I don't like to have too much banana because you already put banana in this actual acai mixture. Dink, that was a really pathetic piece. Okay, then I just chop up or slice up some little strawberry slices on there. And I like to keep it on the side because then you can see the acai on one side and it just makes it look fun. Then I add a few little blackberries. And then a couple of blueberries as well. I'll put 1 more over here and 1 more there. Shredded coconut, and I just do a little sprinkle like that. So for Jay's, he can't have granola, so I just put little coconut chips. This is nice because they're toasted. They're not like that shredded coconut where it's soft. This is crispy, so it adds a little crunch, and they're dang. Crunch those up so that he just has a little bit of a crunch on there. On mine, I take the Nature's Path Coconut Chia Granola. This also has a little bit of coconut flakes in there, and I just add a little sprinkle. And then on Jay's, I just finish off with a little drizzling of honey, just like kind of on all the little goodness. I don't like honey on mine, so I don't put it on mine, but he likes a little extra sweetness. And there you go, guys. That's how I make my acai bowl at home. It's super yummy. It's pretty, it's really Instagram worthy, and it actually keeps you full for a really long time. It's delicious. So I highly recommend you guys try them. We found that dragon fruit and the acai, I'm gonna like spill this, hold on. At Raley's, so check out your Raley's in the frozen section, like where all the fruit is, the frozen fruit is, and you should be able to find them there. I hope you guys found that helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.